In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the sign-in pop-up in Adobe Acrobat Pro by adjusting the Adobe Online Services settings. This practical and safe approach will ensure Acrobat no longer prompts you to sign in or sync settings, and it works across recent versions. To begin, let's open Adobe Acrobat Pro. Depending on your operating system, this is done slightly differently. If you're on Windows, navigate to the menu bar at the top and click on Edit, then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. For those using Mac OS, you'll go to Acrobat in the top menu and then select Preferences from there. Once you open the Preferences window, you're looking at the global settings for the application. This is your control center for customizing how Acrobat functions. Now, in the Preferences window, you'll notice a pane on the left. Here, you're going to want to find a category called Adobe Online Services or something similar that groups together cloud services and synchronization options. This section controls how Acrobat interacts with Adobe's online services, including any automatic sign-ins or data syncing features that may be enabled by default. Once you've located Adobe Online Services, it's time to disable those pesky sign-in prompts and sync features. You should see options like Enable Adobe Sign-In or Sign-In prompts, and you'll want to uncheck these. Also look for sync settings across devices and make sure that's toggled off as well. Another setting to watch for is anything labeled Remember Me or Sign In Automatically. You'll want to disable those. If there's an option titled Always Sign In to use services, be sure to turn that off too. The objective here is to prevent automatic sign-in checks from triggering those unwanted pop-ups we're aiming to eliminate. After you've made these adjustments, click OK to save your changes. It's a good practice to restart Acrobat Pro to ensure the new preferences are applied effectively. Once you've done that, launch Acrobat Pro again and verify that the sign-in pop-up is no longer appearing during your usual tasks. If for some reason the pop-up still shows up, go back into the preferences and make sure all the relevant Adobe Online Services options are indeed turned off. And there you have it. A simple way to free yourself from those annoying sign-in prompts. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Acrobat tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.